One of the nicest things that you can do for yourself is self-care. Why? Because we are stuck in a world that prioritizes everybody else over ourselves. You have to give to other people in what you have not given to yourself. And you have a cup. And if that cup is empty, you're gonna be bitter, you're gonna be mean, you're gonna be burnt out, you're gonna be tired, you're gonna snap at people. And people will see you don't look after yourself. When life becomes overwhelming, switch off. Just get away from everybody. It's not because it's personal. It's not because, well, this, that. People can wait. Things can wait. You have to function at a certain level in order for people to get the best of you. You need to give yourself self-care as much as possible. Self-care is a non-negotiable thing. It's resting, it's looking after yourself, it's sleeping on time, it's eating healthy. But it's also giving yourself the gift of, there is a saying in Italian, la dolce niente, or it's the gift of nothing. And it's very important to give yourself that gift of nothing. That gift of nothing is very powerful. Why? Because in that rest period of time, basically, where you literally are not doing anything, your best ideas will come, best things will come to you, and you'll feel better within yourself.